Are you wanting to learn how to attract money fast? Or maybe you're looking into manifesting more sales or clients into your business this week? Then you're at the right place. By the end of this video, you're going to learn a powerful tool that you can use anytime to manifest whether that's money or more customers fast. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amy Lin, and in this channel, we talk about the 3 M's: money, mindset, and manifestations. So if you're interested in having more money or a better mindset and manifest all your desires with ease, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can be notified for the latest videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a very powerful tool that I have personally used and shared with many of my clients where they manifested all kinds of things fast and how you can do it too. I have clients who manifested $50,000 in just 7 days. I've got clients who receive client referrals for her real estate business within 20 minutes of doing the same exercise I'm about to share with you. I also got clients who got invited to all expenses paid trips within 1 week after doing the same exercise. We got clients that have unexpected money coming in the next day. So if you also want to attract more prosperity into your life, whether that's more money or more clients into your business, you'll want to pay attention and grab a pen and paper and take some notes. So this powerful exercise is called the prosperity game. But before we dive in and break down step by step how it works, I want to first quickly talk about what prosperity means. Do you even know what prosperity means? Let me define it for you. The word prosperity means having a successful, flourishing, thriving condition. You see, prosperity is more than just having money in the bank. It's actually a feeling of expansion, of thriving in every aspect of your life, rather than contraction, which is a state that most people live in, actually. Most people live below their means. They don't live the way they really want to. I'm not sure if you can relate. I certainly can. I remember when I used to nickel a dime every little expenses I've got, trying to save money because of lack of money. And that feeling didn't feel good. You see, the truth is that most people are waiting for outside circumstances to change. If they have the money, if they have the clients, then they feel good. If not, what happens? They go down this downward spiral, and this is where they set off their vibration based off of what they're observing on the outside. There's a saying that the better it gets, the better it gets. On the contrary, is also true. The worse it gets, the worse it gets. So that is living from the outside in. You don't actually have any control. You're just waiting for circumstances to change. Okay? So instead of doing that, what you want to do is to start learning to shift your own point of attraction. This is what we called living from the inside out. So you're not waiting or be dependent upon outside circumstances or your current results to change. So how do you do that? Well, you go within. You start to feel prosperous now from the inside out, not waiting for the circumstances to change. And here's the secret. You don't need a fat bank account to start feeling prosperous. It's actually a state that you can tune into at any given time. And through this prosperity game exercise, you will start to feel the expansion of abundance and prosperity. Are you ready? Type prosperity below in the comment section to activate it now. Let's get into it. The reason why this prosperity game is so powerful is because, number one, It allows you to exercise your imagination, which is a mental muscle that all of us possess. Most people are using their imagination the wrong way. They imagine what they don't want to see happen. I'm sure you've heard of people saying this, the worst case scenario. Rather than focusing on what they do want to see, they focus on what they don't want. As a matter of fact, Albert Einstein said that imagination is the most powerful force in the universe. So we've got to learn how to use it properly. So the second reason why this prosperity game is so powerful is because your subconscious mind cannot tell the difference between what's imagined and what's real. So even if currently right now you have very little money in the bank and you have no clients at the moment, but if you feel prosperous internally based off of law of attraction, what do you think you're going to attract? That's right, a thriving bank account or attracting more customers into your business. There are two parts to this prosperity game. First, grab a post-it note and write down the word I am prosperity, just like this. And stick it somewhere you'll see it every single day, such as the bathroom mirror or on the fridge. And whenever you see the post-it note, take a moment to breathe in the feeling of thriving expansion and say the word I am prosperity, either internally or audibly. Do not rush it. Really tune into that feeling. Feel that the money is in the bank, it's growing, your sales are going up, customers are waiting to work with you and buy your product or services. Make sure you dwell in the end of feeling as often as you can throughout the day, because what you're doing is that you're sending off the feeling of prosperity to the universe. Now, let's get into the real prosperity game. Grab a checkbook registry if you have it. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. Just grab a blank sheet of paper. On one side, write out credit, and you want to write down an imaginary $1,000 deposit. Then on the other side, the debit side, you want to write a check out for the exact amount, which is $1,000. And what you want to do is you want to mentally spend the $1,000 on anything you like. Okay? There's no limit to as what you can spend on. Okay? Maybe from your dream vacations, all expense paid, to maybe just having the unexpected money in the bank. Okay? Or you can buy a car or a yacht. Maybe you need more money than $1,000, but you get the idea. See? The next day, come back and do the same thing. Write out $2,000 deposit and then write out a check for $2,000 on what you want to spend on. Okay? And on the check, you have the memo. You can write out such thing as all expenses paid, right? Vacation for your family or for your employees. Or you can write out, investing into yourself by investing in a coach or buying software for your business, whatever it is that you want. Now, here's the key point. Remember, you want to bask in the feeling of prosperity, that your bank account is thriving, is growing, and your sales are going off the roof. Here's the challenge. Commit to playing this game every day for the next 30 days. You would have spent $30,000. What are you going to spend on? Okay. With each of the deposit and each of the purchase, feel the excitement of abundance and prosperity. Okay. Also, feel the feeling of more clients coming. You're closing more deals and more sales. And don't forget to give gratitude to the universe. Okay? And I guarantee you, you'll start to attract more wealth and abundance into your life very fast. Just a friendly reminder to have fun in the process. I know your intention is to manifest more money and prosperity fast. So sometimes we get caught up on that goal and we become tense and attached to the outcome, which might backfire and cause more resistance actually. So remember, life is just a game. Make sure to have fun. In this game that we call life, there are rules. They're what we call the universal laws. Imagine that you want to play basketball, but you don't know the rules of the game. It would be very hard for you to win, isn't it? So why not make your life easier to understand the rules rather than just trying and hoping something will stick? It's the same thing in life. And the laws of the universe are the rules of life. Just like the prosperity game, we're using the law of attraction where universe is responding to the vibration frequency that you're sending out. If you feel prosperous, you'll attract more opportunities and things that will make you feel more prosperous. On the contrary, if you feel poor, what do you think you're going to attract? So I want to encourage you to study the universal laws where you will start to go with the current rather than against it. And this is why people feel like they're working hard but not getting the results. When you start to understand and apply the universal laws, life just becomes so easy and effortlessly. So I'll see you there next.